Good day, everyone. I'm meteorologist Adam Kolpak. We've got a hot weekend ahead for many inland areas. Now, along the coast, it'll be a different story. We're going to be dealing with, obviously, much cooler temperatures, along with, at times, some areas of fog and low clouds, maybe some patchy drizzle. The best chance will be during the overnight periods and also in the morning hours. We're taking a look right now at the upper air charts here. What we're doing here is we're taking a look at the flow. You can kind of see by the colors here. I'm painting in a jet stream here. The cooler colors are where we have, obviously, the cooler temperatures, and we've got the hottest air, basically, over the Four Corners region. This is Friday. We're going to move it into the weekend, into Saturday, and there's a little bit of a change, but watch what happens by the second half of the weekend into early next week. We notice a trough here is developing right across the Pacific Northwest. This trough is going to be moving through on Monday. What that means is Monday may not be, quote unquote, not as hot as it has been across the Rogue Valley. Now, it will stay cool along the coast, but this little cool down may bump down our temperatures a little bit on Monday and Tuesday of next week. But this weekend, it'll still be pretty hot. You're going to need to take it easy and take plenty of breaks if you're going to be outside for prolonged periods of time with the heat. Using the sunscreen and staying hydrated would be a smart idea. Or if you're lucky enough to be on the coast this weekend, you're in pretty good shape with temperatures in the 40s and 50s and highs generally in the 50s and 60s. Some areas could get closer to 70. It will get hotter the more further inland you get. We'll have more sunshine, though, developing during the day, becoming partly to mostly sunny. Inland, it's just going to be hot with low temperatures starting out relatively cool in the 50s and low 60s, and high temperatures in the 80s and 90s. Medford, 59.97. The record high is 104, set back in 1952. With the sunny conditions continuing also east of the Cascades for Saturday and Sunday. We have clear conditions tonight, and then hot temperatures for Saturday. Highs in the 80s and 90s. Crater Lake, 54, 72, 47, 93. Klamath Falls, and 45, 95 for Lakeview. Here we go. As you can see in the 7-day forecast, I quote-unquote have it not as hot on Monday. We have mid and upper 90s for the weekend, 91 Monday, and then we start to heat back up again just in time for the Jackson County Fair starting next Wednesday, well into the 90s, potentially by late next week. With plenty of sunshine, at times there may be some clouds. Lows will be in the 50s to around 60. Klamath Basin, lows will be in the 40s to around low 50s, and highs in the 80s and 90s with plenty of sunshine around. There may be some clouds mixing in. For Mount Shasta City, temperatures will be in the 80s and 90s with sunshine around, maybe a few clouds mixing in as well. I have Monday as the quote-unquote coolest day at 88. And for the coast, you do stay cool with temperatures in the 40s and 50s for lows and highs again in the 50s and 60s. Some areas getting closer to 70 at night, and during the morning hours will be the best chance for seeing some areas of low clouds and fog and maybe even some patchy drizzle.